As a young man, when I first had a veggie patch of my very own, my gran gave me a handful of pumpkin seeds. I always remember the gesture. 20 years later, as an adventure type doing experimental things, I've decided to eat nothing but pumpkin for 3 days while riding and running around a chunk of map the size of a pumpkin.
This is just bloody inspired adventuring. Look at this. That's it. That's where the adventure's going to take place.
Yeah, this is kind of a half-assed experiment, and it might be the worst cooking show ever made.
I did a small Google search on various ways to cook pumpkin, but none of them are just with pumpkin.
But you know what? It turns out this trip is as meaningful as any harebrained adventure I've ever had.
This is probably the least profound thing I'll ever say, but I think the human relationship to food is the most important relationship we ever have. It often separates the haves and the have-nots, more than anything as well.
If I look like I'm a little bit of a dishevelled bastard, that's because I am. I need some purple, awesome calories out of my purple, awesome bag. No. See? I'm starting to lose my shit. Jesus.
I'll give away seeds as I go to the kids at the local school.
Do a count there, guys.
My daughter's kindergarten.
Okay, there you go, darling. There's 50.
And people in the street.
Here you go, mate. Hey, fellas, I'm giving away pumpkin seeds. Do you want any?
It all leads to a final running to town with the last of the pumpkin to have the last meal of the experiment with my gran.
Hello.
Hello.
Where it all started.
Oh, that is good.